What's up everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will give you a brief overview of WordPress dashboard and how you can set up your basic settings after installing a fresh WordPress website. So as you can see, this is how the dashboard looks like, and when I open the front end it will looks like this, and it will just add a hello world post like this, and there is no menu here and there is no footer or nothing fancy here. So let's check how you can customize different settings after installing the WordPress website. So first of all, you can dismiss this and you can add different tab, and you can manage it just by drag and drop the tab. And here you can also disable some of them by clicking on the screen option here, and you can disable if you don't want like this. So let me just disable activity, and in this way I can clean up my WordPress dashboard. Now you will see this option updates. So when you click on updates, it will show the update information. So currently I am using the version 6.0, and you can also reinstall version 6.0 if you have any problem during the workflow. And you can also see different options like post, media, pages, comments. So let's start with the settings. So just click on settings here, and as you can see here, you will see this option site title. So you can change your site name, so you can basically add any text. So I have already added the site title here, and you can also add tagline, so it will show as a second title like this. So let me just show you. So when I search for Key to Blogging on Google, and as you can see, there is a tagline like learn blogging and SEO tips. So this is the tagline and this is the title of my website. So in this way you can add site title and tagline, and you will see this option WordPress address, URL and site address. And here you can change your email address by just entering the new email address, and then it will send a confirmation email to that email address, and after that you can change your email address from here. And you can also enable membership on your website, and you can select new user role. So by default keep it as subscribers, and here you can change your language. So if you are running a Hindi blog, then you can select Hindi, or if you are running any other language, then you can select your site language from here. And you can also set your time zone. So in my case, let me just select UTC 5:30, and here you can change the date format and the time format, and you can also set the week start on. So let's keep all the settings, and let's go to the writing settings. Under general setting you will see this option writing. So just click on here, and here you can set default post category. So as we have not created any category, so it is not showing any category from here. And you can also set default post format. So if you are running a video blog or audio blog, then you can select audio, video or images like that, but I will keep it as standard. And that is mail server, so there is nothing to do it from here. So let's click on reading. Now you will see this option your home page display. So by default it will show all the latest posts in the home page, but if you want to add a custom home page, then you can select a static page, and here you can select that custom home page so that it will act as a home page instead of a simple page. And you can also select a post page, like if you want to create a blog page, then you can select that option. So let me just simply create two pages from here to show you how it works. So let me just click on add new from here, and let me just make the title as home, and let me just add any sample element from here. So let's add the row layout, and let me just add it here, and let's click on image, and let me just upload the image from here. Okay, we have uploaded the image, and here you can design your home page whatever you like. And let me just select the permalink to home, and let me just publish this. Now let's go back. Now let's click a blog page. So I will click on add new here, and I will type like blog, and I will just hit publish. Okay, now we have created two pages, one is home and another one is blog. So let's go to settings and I will click on reading here, and here you can select a static page. So let's select the home page to home and select the post page to blog, and here you can show how many number of posts it will show on blog page, and you can also show the feed. So let's click on save changes. Now let's go to the home page and let's refresh this page, and as you can see, as we have created a custom home page and selected the home page like this, then it will show that page instead of showing a bunch of recent posts. So here you can also discourage search engine visibility. So if you don't want to show your blog post on Google, then you can do it. So it is basically helpful if you are just building your website and don't want to make it public until you have finished the editing, then you can enable this option. So let's click on discussion tab here, and here you will manage your comment sections, and here you can see this option like attempt to notify any block link to from the post, or here you can see comment author must fill out name and email address, and here you can enable different comment options from here. So you can easily understand what are the settings here. Or if you want to prevent some spam comments, then you can enter the keys, like if you don't want to add any email address or add a particular image or add a particular text in the comment section, then you can just enter the URL or enter the email address here, and will be automatically detected and turn that comment to a trash, or you can say spam sections. And you can also manage the avatar section from here. So avatar basically the profile picture of the commenter, so you can select this from here. Now let's click on media tab, and here you can see the thumbnail size, crop thumbnail to exact dimensions. So if you don't want to crop it, then you can uncheck it from here. So suppose I want the thumbnail size to, like I am using 1920 into 1080p format, and I will click on crop. Then it will, whenever I upload a image, then it will crop that image to 1920 into 1080 and show it as a thumbnail. So if you can set your custom thumbnail width and height from here, and you can click on save changes. Now let's click on permalink settings, and this is the most important setting. So by default in some cases it is set to plain, so you need to change it to a post name. And if you just migrated your Blogger website to WordPress, then I have already done a video on how to redirect your old URL to the new WordPress post URL. So you can do it by watching this video. So let's click on save changes from here, and let's click on privacy, and here you can select your privacy policy page. So let's click on use this page as privacy policy. Now let's go to the pages section from here, and as you can see, you will see different pages of your website. And if you want to create a about us page, so let's create it, and I can simply type like about, and you can add about your website here. So you can just add paragraphs and write about your website. So let me just click on settings from here, and I will click on page here, and make sure to change your URL slug if it is not good. So I think URL slug is good here, so let's publish this. Now let's go back, and now let's click on contact us page, and let's check the URL slug, and let's click on publish here. So you can easily edit this page by clicking on this edit button. So let's create menu first, so that it will show in the menu sections. So for this I will go to the appearance here, and I will just click on theme here, and I will install a theme first. So suppose I want to install the Cadence theme. So Cadence theme is a very good theme that you can use in WordPress, and I have already made a dedicated playlist on Cadence, how you can customize Cadence theme on your WordPress website. So you can watch the Cadence theme tutorial from here. So let me just install the Cadence theme from here. Okay, now the theme is installed. We need to activate this theme so that it will show in the front end. And that's the beauty of WordPress, that you can install multiple themes and activate it according to your need. So it is asking to install the Cadence starter templates so that you can import different demo content to your website. So let's install this starter template from here. Now you can delete all other themes if you don't want that theme. So let's finish the installing of starter template first. Okay, now the starter template is installed. So let me just go to the theme section again, and I can delete some of the themes. So just click on theme here and you can see this option delete. So just click on delete here, and let's delete this theme from here. Okay, we have deleted all other themes and installed the Cadence theme. And then here you will see this option like customize your theme, and here you will see this option menu. So let's click on menu first, and let me just refresh this page, how it looks in the front end. And as you can see, this is how the Cadence theme looks like. So let's create a menu. So I can say like header menu. So you can add your own name here, and let's create menu first, and you can also select as primary, and let's create menu. Now you can add different items to your menus. So I want to add home page, blog page, about page, and contact page to my menu. So I will select all and I will click on add to menu, and as you can see, all the pages are added in the menus. And you can also add a custom post in the menu, and you can also add custom links. So suppose I want to add a newsletter page like this, and I will add the link here, and I will click on add to menu. So in this way you can add custom links in your menu, and you can also add categories to your menus, and you can also make it like drop down. So let me just rearrange this menu like this, and here you can add it like drop down menu like this. So let's adjust this, and let me just click on save changes. Now let me just refresh this page, and as you can see, the menu is now added. And you can also customize your home page. So let me just go to the pages section, and let's click on all pages, and let's click on edit here, and let's click on settings here, and you can disable the title so that it will not show the home page in the sections. So let's click on update here. Now let's click on refresh, and as you can see, the title is now gone. So you can follow the playlist to create your custom home page. So I have made around 3 different tutorials on how to build a custom home page using the Cadence theme. So let's go back. Now let's check how you can create categories in your WordPress website. So for this, you need to go to the post, and you will see this option categories. So just click on here, and here you can create your own custom categories. So suppose I want to add different category. So suppose I want to add a category like Androids, and I can set the slug as Android, and you can also select parent category, and you can also add a brief description about your categories. So let's click on add new category. Now let's click on technology, and let me just add the slug like technology, and let's click on add new category. Now let's add a category on like smartphone like this, and I will set this slug like smartphone, and I will click on add new category. And you can also keep the Android category under the smartphone category. So if you want to edit it, just click on edit here, and here you can select the parent category smartphone. So you can add smartphone as a parent category and add different category like Android, iOS, Windows as a subcategory to that parent category. So as we have created the category, now you can add that category to your menus. So you can also create your custom tags here by clicking on name, slug and description and click on add new tags. So let's go to the appearance sections and let's give me a brief overview about your customizer. So this is how the theme customizer looks like in most of the theme, and there are some common settings that you will get in every themes, and you will get some different settings in different themes. Like you will get the settings like wizard, so that you can manage your sidebar, and here you can also see the same settings that you have set in the settings, and here you can see the additional CSS. So if you want to add some additional CSS, then you can put that CSS code here. So I have already made a video on how to customize the Cadence theme, so you can watch this video to learn more about it. Okay, now we have selected all the basic settings. After that, you need to install some SEO plugins and image optimizations plugin, and you need to install some backup plugins. So I have already made a video on how to install rank math SEO plugins. So it is one of the most trusted and most popular SEO plugins that you can use in your WordPress website. And if you want to optimize your images, then you can use plugins like Short Pixels, and make sure to set a backup system so that you will be able to back up your website, and once you have any problem, then you can easily restore it from your backup files. So in this way you can install various themes to make your tasks easier. This is the complete overview of WordPress dashboard, and if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment sections. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe Key2 Blogging for more upcoming videos like this. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.